that's very good. Listen to me. Huh? Oh, that's nice. Here we go.
Hey, you know what? I'm getting tired of making monster noises.
Me too. Yeah, just going all day. Not much fun.
Well, I got an idea.
What?
Why don't we make different noises? Why don't we make noises like animals make?
Animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
All right, then. All you kids watching, you make noises with us. And the first noise we're gonna make is the noise a cow makes. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Everybody moo like a cow.
Okay, now everybody bark like a dog.
Yeah, meow like a cat. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Yeah, now everybody quack like a duck.
Quack, 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 quack. Roar like a lion.
Yeah, now everybody crow like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Everybody oink like a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink.
Here comes the big one now. Cluck like a chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Huh? Huh? How about that? That's not bad. That's pretty good, but you know what?
What?
I like that, but I'm not that too crazy about the mooing and the clucking. And you know what kind of noise I like best of all, though? Really best?
What kind?
Monster noises!
Me too.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Good.